Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to get notifications. Please like and comment my video. ఫ్రెండ్స్, మాకు తెలిసిన కొన్ని ప్రకటనల ద్వారా ఈ వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇందులో 2 తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలకు సంబంధించిన ఉద్యోగాలు ఉన్నాయి. కావున ఈ వీడియోని మీరు పూర్తిగా చూడండి, స్కిప్ చేయకూడదు. ఇంకా ఎవరికైనా ఉద్యోగం అవసరం ఉన్నవారికి కూడా మీరు సహాయం చేయగలరు. ఫ్రాంచైజీ ఇన్వైటెడ్ కిడ్స్ వేర్ అపారెల్ బ్రాండ్ వాంటెడ్ సేల్స్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ 9985881184. Urgently required for assistant general managers 12 numbers, frontline executives 9 numbers. Interviews on 13th and 14th. Contact 98481979936. Urgent requirement for senior officer purchase and facility manager. Senior officer purchase facilities manager hr@lansomproperties.com. Mail id. Restaurant staff required. Experienced and well-versed staff required for a reputed multi-cuisine restaurant opening shortly at Mosaramag, Hyderabad. So all positions are here, like a CDPs, Commie 1, Commie 2, Commie 3, Masters, Assistants, Restaurant General Manager, Floor Managers, Storekeeper, Captains, Cashiers, Accountants, Waiters, Waitress, Stewards, Delivery Boys, Cake Chef, Irani Child Master, Mocktail, Juice and Lassi Makers, Chaat and Pani Puri Makers, Sales Counter Boys, Scavenger, Housekeepers, Laborers, Watchmen, Security Guards, DDP Designers, Electricians, Valet Parking Drivers. Aarti 7 Hills Apartments opposite Malakpet RTA office, Musarambag. Contact 63091234225. Wanted OT technician, sister pharmacist, pharmacist aides for Sureka Hospital beside Big Bazaar Lane, Kompally. 8977616064. Required telecaller and counselors. KBHP 95022999544. Required male or female accountant with a tally knowledge required full time. LB Nagar 8978772123. Wanted fresher receptionist laptop repair center located in Nalagandla. Call 7729829843. Accounts and digital marketing office staff to work Mallapur 8247229595. Female telecallers GVR Educational Academy, Chaitanyapuri, Dilsukh Nagar 9963823519. Required sandstone in FRA India Private Limited. Engineer, site engineer, accountant, layer who have sound knowledge on open plots, legal opinions. Call 7337399128. Wanted pharmacist, Sri Soumya Medicals, Pragati Nagar, Kukatpalli 9000090705. Wanted ASM and medical reps for 20 years old, Chennai based company 8189888294. Banking telecallers, field officers, bike master 9246355558. Urgently required female telecallers, SR Nagar 9618046060. Walk-in interview for freshers, telecallers and team leaders. Start 70753333144. Female telecallers required work from home. Wanted civil engineer and lady receptionist. Call 9493969142. Wanted electrician, mechanical diploma holders, production supervisors, computer operators, MIS and accountants. Shadnagar Goyal4321@gmail.com. Required telecallers and office boy for reputed Ishanya Infra at Nanakaram Guda. Call 9849075032. Wanted well experienced plant managers, plant operators, spoil operators and helpers. HRD@vestrosolvents.com 9246925688. Wanted technician with ITI diploma 92477779276. Wanted marketing executives. Call 9948966160. Direct job, female receptionist. Call 98480999789. Wanted female telecallers, accountant skills. Minerva Hotel, behind Minerva Hotel 9381915653. Wanted housewire electrician 93900607995. Wanted receptionist, office assistant, in charges, front office, females only 99909908013655. Positions open for assistant channel head. Enter Telangana. Shipro Group. Call 79938999456. Required experienced telecallers. 9010311789 Wanted male or female Me Seva and internet operators. Call 7337549169. Wanted lady wardens, hostel in charges, vice principal, telecallers for medical academy. 9581223388. Wanted ITI diploma holder. Well established red sandal farm land company requires marketing persons. Call 8600992488. Wanted for wanted marketing persons. Shadnagar 9948888182. Wanted sales executive for Britannia Products, Kukatpalli 9030307050. Upcoming supermarket required store in charge cashiers. Shivram Enterprises, Kompally 8499847773. Wanted technician 924779276. Wanted marketing executive. Direct to job. Wanted female telecallers accountant. Call 9381915653. Housewire electrician. Call 93900607995. Wanted receptionist, office assistant in charges. Secunderabad 9908013655. Wanted sales girls for exotic store. Call 90072844. Good looking receptionist counselor in the aviation academy in KPHP 8074202055. Wanted designers, AutoCAD QC engineer. Call 900005256. Film production house looking for female accountant, female receptionist. Call 98490799393. Wanted women for CCTV cameras monitoring. Somajiguda. Inviting within 5 kilometers. Timing 6:30 am to 2:30 pm. 2 pm to 10 pm. Mr. Sagar, contact number 888-6244-666. Wanted telecallers and collection executives for banking process 92481-33214. Wanted telecallers for banking process. Lift trade supervisors, coordinators, supervisor. Call 70360959957. Wanted designer, Corel Draw and Photoshop. Call 9348788886. Wanted experienced 8897820903. Extra income opportunity required 0 to 5 years experience civil engineers. 040240373005. Wanted male and lady security guards. Call 8466998318. Required technical marketing executives for ICI careers at shivanipumps.com. Call 939-361-5095. Computer operator having any bachelor degree. Urgent required collection executive. Dilsugnagar, Kukatpalli, Chintal, BHL, Patancheru, Apsiguda, Gachipoli 824-777-6850. VRK Group looking for HR manager, HR executive, accounts manager and executives, office assistant, admin executives, receptionist. GM AGMs 9014-771-969. Require sales officer, service engineers. Call 9849022468. Need experienced accountant come marketing. Vanasalipuram 9989166636. Prestigious jewelry store opening shortly. Senior sales executive, assistant sales executive, customer service executive, accounts executives, telecalling executives, people with valid visa to USA for sales. Contact 90149 Wanted experienced candidates. Wanted female accountant at Ashok Nagar 9849003504. Hero Hondo showroom. Kamam Nandu Panchayataku accounts manager required 9949911636. Leading BPO center required night shift employee. HR@worlditcenter.com. SVR Dairy Products అమీర్పేట్ కొరకు టెలికాలర్స్ కావాలను. ఇంజనీరింగ్ వాక్యూమ్ హీట్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ ప్లాంట్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. మెకానికల్ ఈసీఈ ట్రిపుల్ ఈఐఈ ఇంజనీర్స్ రిక్వైర్డ్. సివిల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ అండ్ క్యూసీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ASMR. Contact 9502088844. Wanted subcontractors engineers for civil and mechanical works IOCL HPCL 9550112121. Contact number. Wanted subcontractors. Reputed company requires site engineers. Mahbub Nagar District Balanagar Layout. Contact 9100808820. Medical Namaste Dr. Suchitra X Road. General physician, OBG specialist, pediatrician, orthopedician immediately required. Male lab technician. WhatsApp number front desk 8namastedoctor.in. Contact 9100609998. Wanted female DMO, pediatrician, pathologist, pharmacist, female receptionist, female nurse superintendent. Kukatpalli 7331122322. Walk-in medical rep at Hyderabad, Secunderabad and Vijayawada. Contact 98497899637. Wanted sales assistant pharmacist. Walk-in female marketing head and male executives. 5 years experience in real estate field. Liaison officer. Nadargul 8142111152. Faculty teachers. Wanted experienced and well qualified teachers. At Banjara Hills, call 9290106299. Wanted trained and experienced female vice principals. All teachers. Contact 9391208724. Wanted teaching faculty. MSc, BSc, MSc, microbiology, nutrology, sociology, anatomy, physiology. Contact number 8179286360. Experienced car drivers. Personal permanent driver కావాలను. Call 98481311167. Wanted senior accountant, junior accountant, office assistants at Isha Agri Seeds Private Limited, Nagol. Contact 630-490-1479. Wanted senior accountant with 5 to 8 years of experience. Patancheru 9000005256. Accounts and admin commerce graduate required. Female preferred. 9440805586. Leading real estate company looking for managers. Well reputed 25 years experience company looking for marketing directors, marketing executives, sales representatives, LIC advisors, marketing executives, skilled marketing executive. Wanted electrician. మహబూబ్ నగర్ లోకల్లో కేవీఆర్ ట్రేడర్స్లో జాబ్ చేయటకు కంప్యూటర్ ఆపరేటర్స్ కాల్ను 9494019797. వాంటెడ్ రెప్యూటెడ్ నాన్ గవర్నమెంటల్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ రిక్వైర్స్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇన్ఛార్జ్, కౌన్సిలర్ అండ్ సోషల్ వర్కర్. దిల్సుఖ్ నగర్. మెయిల్ ఐడి doveorgindia@gmail.com. Wanted computer operator. Contact 9177213306. Wanted warehouse supervisor, data entry operator, Vijayawada 90436111278. Wanted marketing executives, Vijayawada 951596216. Wanted experienced chef for pizza, Ibrahimpatnam 8977711444. Wanted accountant come office in charge. Well reputed school in Machilipatnam. Wanted ప్రముఖ two-wheeler sales executives 10 members male. Wheel Smart Vizag 98481832791. Wanted branch managers, executive directors, project directors, marketing managers, marketing executives, telecallers. Accounts manager Visakhapatnam. Contacts 9908698254. Wanted fresh or 5 years experienced inorganic laboratory. BSc MSc boys at Vizag. lab.vizag@alextewatindia.com. Mail ID. Wanted female office assistant. Wanted civil engineers. Wanted office assistant any degree female. 7730817277. Wanted graduates in software company. Contacts 79754100653. Air conditioner senior technicians required. Contact 9390115553. Maduravada. Civil Routsman Akkayapalem 96527622299. Required technical marketing executive. Careers at sivanipumps.com. Call 9393615095. Godown in charge. Wanted BTech graduates. Data entry operators. Office coordinator. Collection executive. Kerry India Express requires supervisors executives. Vizag 9030668668. GST accountant. Wanted office assistant, accountant with tally knowledge. Wanted experienced for telecallers for working in Banodaya Enterprises, car loans. Repeated diagnostic in Gajuwaka. Required lab technician, marketing staff, nurse. 7702380291. Wanted clinic manager, marketing background. 7702577099. Wanted electrician, mechanical diploma holders. Wanted executive administrator. Wanted experienced APAVAX and CCTV service engineers. Marketing executives, computer operator required with tally knowledge. BHPV post. Contact 8332970 CA required. ramachandra.hr@asiancinemas.in. Technical Hyderabad architect office needs senior and fresher architects, AutoCAD draftsman, 3D Max, SketchUp. Contact rpk architects@gmail.com. National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities looking for a post Hindi typist. Contract type consultant, 11 months duration. Research Associate 3 reserved for SC/ST candidates. Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, Trivandrum, Kerala. Looking for senior management role. Wanted female with experience in admin and marketing. Call 9006999995. Wanted civil terrier engineer. Doctors wanted. Required office boy, liaison officer, Panjakutta office company. Wanted electrician, mechanical diploma holders, production supervisors, secretaries. Technical sheet metal fabs, welders, press and powder coaters. Walk-in require experienced, energetic, result-oriented female HR manager. Walk-in 14th and 15th September, Banjara Hills. Call 8599945555. Situation required, looking for senior management role. Need female counselor for admission, guidance. R&D quality control. Reception cum tele operators, typist or office typist and office assistant for office. Walk-in interview, contacts 92480899200. Security guards required. Contact 9908709994. Wanted urgently security officer. Wanted ex-servicemen at trauma and pet. Wanted experienced teachers fluent. Wanted experienced well-trained teachers. All subject teachers wanted. Urgently required admin staff counselors. Wanted experienced training graduates. Urgently required field executives. Wanted MF candidates for a reputed company. We are looking for following positions at reputed automobile industry: admin manager, security manager, digital marketing manager, works manager, customer relationship manager, IT manager, accounts executive, sales executives, telecallers, technicians, cashiers. Contact 7036999921. Field executives and female telecallers required. Required pharmacist, Healing Touch, PharmaD physician, Shroff Hospital. Wanted pharmacist. Required receptionist, multiple vacancies. Wanted junior advocates, stenographers, computer typists. We 9-star International are inviting applications for the post of store manager, store in charge. Wanted experienced junior accountant, receptionist for diagnostic center in Hyderabad, Hyderabad, Bashirbagh. Looking for female trainee chefs, hotel management graduates preferred. 9866-989-406. Wanted resident lady gynecs. Wanted lady gynecs to work in shifts. Medical coder opportunity. 50-bedded hospital required DMOs, RMO, lady doctors, sisters, receptions, PRO, ward boys, IS, pharmacists, lab technicians, and AC cabins available for specialty doctors. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇవ్వండి ఈరోజు వచ్చిన జాబ్లో. మరిన్ని జాబులతో మరో వీడియోలో మీ ముందుంటాం. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. కీప్ ఆన్ వాచింగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.